Hello everyone, my name is Daniel from ZenTek Consultants. Today we're going to talk about how we can manage our project bids in the ZenBidTracker application. So our project bids gives us the ability to manage large-scale projects and keep track of all of our incoming subcontractor bids as well as our outgoing project bids. So in order to create a new project bid, we're just going to navigate to our side panel and select the New Project Bid button here. Now this is going to bring us to our new project bid. But we can begin by selecting a client if we have them saved in our address book. And I have a few saved here, so I'm just going to select one for J.D. Barnes, and this will automatically pre-populate your contact and your client name. Now from here we can add a project number, so I'm going to just name this 25-001 for the year. We're going to give it a project name, so I'm going to call this Airport Terminal 1. We can select who it's assigned to. I'm going to give this to Roger. The date our project bid has been issued. Now we can always come back and adjust this if we want to send it at a further date. I'm just going to select it for today. The status here is going to depend on if we have it open, submitted, awarded, lost, or on hold. In the current case, we're going to keep it open because we have not submitted it yet. And then our proposed amount will be the amount that we are submitting to the client. So our total project proposal amount is going to be $5 million. And from here, I'm just going to create a bid. Okay, and you can see the line item here. We have our project number, our client, our project name, the proposed amount, and then we have our subtotal bids and subtotal awarded. Here is where we're going to calculate all of our subcontractor incoming bids. Now, in order to create a subcontractor bid within our main project bid, all we have to do is navigate to the Actions drop-down directly in the project bid line item. So I'm going to select this, and I'm just going to add a sub bid. Now from here, we can see that we have a similar screen to our new project bid. In this case, we have the ability to select a subcontractor if we have them in our subcontractor address book. So maybe I have Action Air Systems for our HVAC. We've selected them here. You can see it automatically populates the trade, as well as the subcontractor name and the contact. From here, all I have to do is give their bid amount. So in this case, maybe they're bidding $1 million. And then we're going to award them $950,000. Once we create the sub bid, you can see now it comes through as a line item underneath your project bid. Since we have awarded them $950,000, you can see it gives me a green text and the awarded amount, which is also showing in our subtotal awarded and subtotal bids amount. Once we have set the status of our project bid as awarded, you can see now if we jump over to our analytics, it is going to show us our total awarded, as well as our client analytics and our subcontractor analytics. We also have the ability in our project bids to duplicate a bid, to add an attachment. So if I add an attachment here, I have the ability to set both a URL or a SharePoint link, as well as a file that I can select directly from my Windows Explorer. Once we've hit the update button, now you can see on the right hand side by our Actions drop down, we can select the Open Attachment button to open our attachments directly from the cloud. And that is how we can use the project bids directly in our ZenBidTracker app. Very simple, very easy, and intuitive. If you are interested in signing up, check out our application at zenbidtracker.web.app.